வணக்கம். 9th Standard Science English Medium, Unit 18, Organization of Tissues. Textbook exercises. Choose the correct answer. The tissue composed of living thin-walled polyhedral cell is answer A. Parenchyma. Parenchyma. The fibers consist of answer option B. Sclerenchyma. The fibers consist of sclerenchyma. Question number 3. Companion cells are closely associated with answer option A. Sieve elements. Companion cells are closely associated with sieve elements. Fourth question. Which of the following is a complex tissue? Answer option C. Xylem. Xylem is a complex tissue. Fifth question. Parenchyma is found in answer option B. Hydrophytes. Parenchyma is found in hydrophytes. Sixth question. Smooth muscles occur in all the above is the answer. Option D. All the above. Uterus, artery, vein. Smooth muscles occur in uterus, artery, vein. So option D. All the above is the answer. Question number 7. Nerve cell does not contain answer option C. Tendons. Nerve cell does not contain tendons. Match the following. Column A and column B are given. In column A, sclerites, chloroplast, simple tissue, companion cell, tracheids are given. In column B, chlorenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma, xylem, phloem are given. They are shuffled. We have to match it correctly. Sclerites. Answer sclerenchyma. Sclerites, sclerenchyma. Chloroplast, chlorenchyma. Chloroplast, chlorenchyma. Simple tissue, collenchyma. Simple tissue, collenchyma. Companion cell, phloem. Companion cell, phloem. Tracheids, xylem. Tracheids, xylem. Fill in the blanks. Dash tissue provide mechanical support to organs. Answer collenchyma tissues. Collenchyma. Second question. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma are dash type of tissue. Answer simple tissue type. Simple tissue type. Third question. Dash and dash are complex tissues. Answer xylem and phloem are complex tissues. Xylem and phloem are complex tissues. Fourth question. Epithelial cells with cilia are found in dash of our body. Trachea of windpipe, or bronchioles of respiratory tract, or kidney tubules and fallopian tubules of oviducts of our body. Fifth question. Lining of small intestine is made up of dash. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. Epithelial tissue is protective tissue in animal body. Answer true. Epithelial tissue is protective tissue in animal body. True. Second question. Bone and cartilage are two types of areolar connective tissues. Answer false, not irregular, it is supportive. Bone and cartilage are two types of supportive connective tissues. Third one, parenchyma is a simple tissue. Answer true, parenchyma is a simple tissue. Fourth question, phloem is made up of tracheates. Answer false, not phloem, it is xylem. The correct statement is xylem is made up of tracheates. Fifth question, vessels are found in collenchyma. Answer false, not collenchyma, it is xylem. The correct statement is vessels are found in xylem. Answer briefly. First question, what are intercalary meristems? How do they differ from other meristems? Answer, it lies between the region of permanent tissues and is part of primary meristem, which is detached due to formation of intermittent permanent tissues. It is found either at the base of leaf, example pinus, or at the base of internodes, example grasses. Second question, what is complex tissue? Name the various kinds of complex tissues. Answer, complex tissues are made of more than one type of cells that work together as a unit. Common examples are xylem and phloem. Third question, mention the most abundant muscular tissue found in our body. State its function. Answer, the most abundant muscular tissue found in our body is skeletal muscle or striatal muscle. Functions, skeletal muscle. These muscles are attached to the bones and are responsible for the body movements and are called skeletal muscles. They work under our control and are also known as voluntary muscles. They occur in the muscles of limbs, biceps and triceps of arms. They undergo rapid contraction. Fourth question, what is skeletal connective tissue? How is it helpful in the functioning of our body? Skeletal muscle. These muscles are attached to the bones and are responsible for the body movements and are called skeletal muscles. They work under our control and are also known as voluntary muscles. The muscle fibers are elongated, non-tapering, cylindrical, unbranched and showing alternating dark and light bands, giving them the striped or striated appearance. These cells possess many nuclei, multinucleate. They occur in the muscles of limbs, that is biceps and triceps of arms. They undergo rapid contraction. Fifth question, why should gametes be produced by meiosis during sexual reproduction? Answer, the constant number of chromosomes in a given species is maintained by meiotic division. Crossing over causes genetic variations among the species from one generation to the next. Sixth question, in which stage of mitosis the chromosomes align in equatorial plate? How? Answer, metaphase. The duplicated chromosomes arrange on the equatorial plane and form the metaphase plate. Each chromosome gets attached to a spindle fiber by its centromere, which is known as the chromosomal fiber. The centromere of each chromosome divides into two, each being associated with a chromatid. Answer in detail. First question, what are permanent tissues? Describe the different types of simple permanent tissues. Answer, permanent tissues are those in which growth has stopped either completely or for the time being. At times they become meristematic partially or wholly. Permanent tissues are of two types, namely 1. Simple tissue and complex tissue. Simple tissue are homogeneous, composed of structurally and functionally similar cells. Example, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. First one, parenchyma. Parenchyma are simple permanent tissue composed of living cells. Parenchyma cells are thin-walled, oval, rounded or polygonal in shape with well-developed spaces among them. In aquatic plants, parenchyma possesses intercellular spaces and is named as aerenchyma. When exposed to light, parenchyma cells may develop chloroplasts and are known as chlorenchyma. Functions. Parenchyma may store water in many succulent and xerophytic plants. It also serves the functions of storage of food reserves, absorption, buoyancy, secretion, etc. Next, collenchyma. Collenchyma is a living tissue found beneath the epidermis. Cells are elongated with unevenly thickened non-lignified walls. Cells have rectangular, oblique or tapering ends and persistent protoplast. They possess thick primary non-lignified walls. Functions. They provide mechanical support for growing organs. Sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma consists of thick walled cells which are often lignified. Sclerenchyma cells do not possess living protoplast at maturity. Sclerenchyma cells are grouped into fibers and sclerates. Fibers are elongated sclerochromatous cells, usually with pointed ends. Their walls are lignified. Fibers are abundantly found in many plants. The average length of fibers is 1 to 3 millimeter. However, in plants like Lineum usitatissimum, that is flax, Cannabis sativa, hemp and Carcorus capsularis, that is jute, fibers are extensively longer, ranging from 20 millimeter to 550 millimeter. Then sclerates. Sclerates are widely distributed in plant body. They are usually broad, may occur in single or in groups. Sclerates are isodiametric with lignified walls. Pits are prominent and seen along the walls. Lumen is filled with wall materials. Sclerates are also common in fruits and seeds. Second question, write about the elements of xylem. Xylem. Xylem is a conducting tissue which conducts water, mineral nutrients, upward from root to leaves. Xylem is also meant for mechanical support to the plant body. Xylem is composed of different kinds of elements. They are xylem tracheates, xylem fibers, xylem vessels, and xylem parenchyma. Xylem tracheates. They are elongated or tube-like dead cells with hard, thick, and lignified walls. Their ends are tapering, blunt, or sisal-like. These cells are devoid of protoplast. They have large lumen without any content. Their function is conduction of water and providing mechanical support to the plant. Xylem fibers. These cells are elongated, lignified, and pointed at both the ends. Xylem fibers help in conduction of water and nutrients from root to the leaf and also provide mechanical support to the plant. Xylem vessels. They are long cylindrical tube-like structures with lignified walls and wide central lumen. These cells are dead as these do not have protoplast. They are arranged in longitudinal series in which the partition walls, that is transverse walls, are perforated, and so the entire structure looks like a water pipe. Their main function is transport of water and minerals from root to leaf and also to provide mechanical strength. Xylem parenchyma. In its cells are living and thin walled. The main function of xylem parenchyma is to store starch and fatty substances. List out the differences between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells. Meiosis occurs in reproductive cells. Mitosis involved in growth and occurs continuously throughout life. Meiosis involved in gamete formation only during reproductive active age. Mitosis consists of single division. Meiosis consists of two divisions. Mitosis, two diploid daughter cells are formed. Meiosis, 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. Mitosis, the chromosome number in the daughter cell is similar to the parent cell, that is 2n. Meiosis, the chromosome number in the daughter cell is just half, that is n of the parent cell. Mitosis, identical daughter cells are formed. Meiosis, daughter cells are not similar to the parent cell and are randomly assorted. Higher order thinking skills. First question, what is the consequence that occur if all blood platelets are removed from the blood? Answer, if all blood platelets are removed from the blood, blood will not clot. If small injury occur on our body part, blood loss will occur. Second question, which are not true cells in the blood? Why? Red blood corpuscles are not true cells in the blood because they lack nucleus. Thank you.